When we are talking about this chapter, what are the things that we need to study? A chapter ki ase, right? In this chapter, we are going to talk about, obviously, as the name suggests, we are going to talk about the different types of classification system, right? So classification system, what we know, that all the organisms that are found in this earth, they have been properly classified, right? According to certain kingdoms, right? So a classification system the primitive classification system to aji ami jintu accept koru classification system, there is a difference. As of now, up till this time, no, the classification system that we follow is Whittaker's five kingdom classification. And according to Whittaker's five kingdom classification, what does it say? All the organisms are divided into five kingdoms, no? Or they are placed in five respective kingdoms. Whittaker's five kingdom classification to ami follow koru, etu ami পঢ়িব লাগিব, but apart from that, আগতে যিবোৰ ক্লাসিফিকেশন সিস্টেম ডেভেলপ কৰিছিলে, ফৰ এক্সাম্পল দ্য টু কিংডম ক্লাসিফিকেশন, right? একদম previously যোনটো system develop কৰিছিল, that was two kingdom classification system, and that was something that was developed by Linnaeus, right? So Linnaeus গোটেই organisms বিলাকক দুটা kingdomত থৈছিলে, ঠিক তেনেকে there were certain drawbacks in the system, and so we had to go for the third, and then third to কিছুমান drawbacks, so it had to be go on to the fourth classification, and ultimately what we have now is the fifth kingdom classification. That does not mean the all five kingdom classification ase. Latest junkhon ase, that is the sixth kingdom classification system is also there, right? But in spite of that, ami ki follow koru five kingdom classification system khone follow koru, and sixth kingdom khon etiao still under research is something that the scientists say, right? Sixth kingdom classification of ki points poribo laibo, prottekhon classification of ki points poribo laibo. We are going to mark it down directly in the PDF now, right? So that is the first part. Starting with classification system, tar agoteo ami ki poribo laibo, contribution of certain workers or certain scientists, no? Classification system or logot jonbilak scientists associated hoi asil, nomenclature logot scientists associated hoi asil, tahator contribution, specific books which they have written, right? Dukhon kitapor publication de ekhini bostu ami poribo laibo, hei system bilakor ke banasile. After this, when this part is over, we'll be starting with the respective kingdoms. No, I think since you all have read and come to the class, by now I think you understand. What is the most primitive kingdom? Out of the five kingdom classification, first let's name the five kingdoms. Five kingdom system to ki asile?
Monera, Protista, Panti, Animalia, and Fungus.
It's important that you say it in a sequence. Monera, Protista, Planti, Planti, and Animalia. Right? So that's the sequence we follow, right? So suppose the primitive kingdom, which one? Monera, right? So suppose the ancient organisms, primitive organisms are placed in that area. We have a particular term for that, no? Monera is also called as the kingdom of dash.
Bacteria.
Bacteria boli kom, ne prokaryotes boli kom.
Prokaryotes.
I think that would be a better word, right? So instead of saying bacteria, because bacteria is not the only example, right? We have certain other examples of prokaryotes also that falls into this kingdom. So Monera, kingdom of prokaryotes. From Monera, the next kingdom that has developed, and similarly, we'll talk about the most advanced kingdom. So obviously, plant. We are in the botany class, so we'll be discussing up till Planti only, right? So he can discuss for him. Next, Monera. In this lesson, discuss for him. We'll be talking about Monera. We'll be talking about Protista, and we'll be talking about fungi. As far as the plant kingdom or Planti is concerned, that is the next chapter of this book. I think you know that, right? Biological classification of piece of Ayurveda chapter ki asa plant kingdom. So Planti is not the thing that we are going to discuss in this chapter. Planti ami next chapter discuss korim. Yate ki holoke discuss korim, fungi loke discuss korim. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Now let's go to the PDF, right? PDF of person first is what? There are certain contributions of scientists and their contributions, right? Aristotle or Katha, right? So whenever we talk about Aristotle, father of ki, he is known as the father of
Biology.
Likha hai no? Father of biology, and he is also considered as the father of zoology, right? Is he considered the father of botany?
No.
No, ma'am.
No. Theophrastus is considered as the father of botany, right? So in this section, আমি কি লিখিছো যে Aristotle, father of biology, father of zoology, very important point. What did he do? He has divided all the organisms into two groups, animals and plants. মানে according to Aristotle, organisms বিলাকক কিমান kingdomত place কৰিছিলে? It is two kingdoms. If you have read the later pages, two kingdom classification system য'ত লিখা আছে, first sentence is, who has proposed the two kingdom classification system? কোন আছিলে? Linnaeus. But it is not like this, that it was only Linnaeus who has talked about the two kingdom classification. There are so many other workers also who have talked about the two kingdom. One among them is Aristotle also. কারণ এরিস্টটলে কি করেছিল গোটেই অর্গানিজমস দুভাগত ভাগ করে দিছিল প্লান্টি এন্ড অ্যানিমেলিয়া animals again on the basis of কি presence or absence of red blood, and plants were divided into herbs, shrubs and trees, right? Out of these points that we have written, father of biology point to tick করে থৈ দিবা, this is something very important. Aristotle হেকিনে কেতিয়াবা যদি সুধে Aristotle was related with which kingdom classification system, answer কি হবে? Can you hear my voice clearly?
Animalia and
Two kingdom classification.
Yeah. Animalia and Planty word kita were okay. The question was, he was related with which kingdom system or which kingdom classification system? He was related with two kingdom classification system. Clear?
kingdom.
Okay. Next is Theophrastus. Theophrastus, whenever we talk about, obviously father of botany, right? He has written certain books. Out of the three books that is written, তার first book already marked করা আছে, that is something that is important. Historia Plantarum, the first book on botany, কোনে লিখিছিলে? Theophrastus. সেই পইণ্টটো মাৰ্ক কৰি থবা. Together with that, no, বাকি কিতাপৰ ইমান questions আহা নাই. As far as causes of plants and inquiry into plants is concerned, ইমান বেছি commonly asked question নহয়. ঠিক আছে? Apart from that book, he has also given certain terms called as annuals, biennials and perennials. Now, what is the annual, biennial and perennial? I think we have an idea. Ne kobo lagibo. Anyone having any doubt regarding these three terms?
No, ma'am.
Janu, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So he also gave the words called as annual, biennial and perennial, right? And plants, he classified the plants into herb shrubs, under shrubs and trees. Again, this point is not important. Annual, biennial, perennial, word mono rakhiba. Now, the last point that is given on that page, both Aristotle and Theophrastus were Greek political philosophers. So you have to underline the word Greek also. It is a question ahe. Tahat for nationality ki. Either they were Greek or they were French or they were British, etc., etc. On this point also the question is asked. So you have to know that word Greek. Is the point clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mark kore jaba na. Next is Careless Linnaeus. Careless Linnaeus, the first point that comes to your mind. Careless Linnaeus or ki kotha jana? What do you know about him?
Systematically.
Ma'am, father of taxonomy.
Yeah, father of taxonomy, but tatkeo agote, something that you have studied in the living world. Binomial nomenclature. Kune propose korisile?
Carolus Linnaeus.
Careless Linnaeus, right? So Linnaeus' contribution, yeah. Linnaeus has a lot of contribution. One thing that's very, very common is we remember about binomial nomenclature. Founder of binomial nomenclature is Linnaeus. Apart from that, okay, that has also been asked about his real name. So the first point is important. He is also considered as a father of taxonomy. He is the founder of binomial nomenclature and classification system. Next, he has written 5 books. Out of the 5 books that we have written, right, junke notes ase, apart from, except number 1, number 2, 3, 4, yeah, 2, 3, 4 and 5, all are important, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, important likhi thwa, ekita upor question aise. Now, how will you study? You have to study about the names of the books, who has written the books, and what is the content of the book. ঠিক আছে, তো কিতাপখন কোনে লিখিছিলে, সেই কিতাপখনত কি আছে সেই বস্তুটো পঢ়িব লাগিব. For example, if you are talking about Philosophia Botanica, it has what principles of nomenclature. So, sound আহিছে নে sound আহি আছিলে ন?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think now it's okay. Okay, anyway, so what I was saying is, kitab gikhon naam giti aru what is the content of the book. Philosophy of Botanica, it contains what? Informations about principles of nomenclature. Means what? How will you name an organism? এই principles বিলাক ক'ত আছিলে? Philosophia Botanica. কোনে লিখিছিলে? Carelessly. Second is species plantarum. Species plantarum, genera plantarum, and systema naturally very important. Species plantarum, what কি আছিলে? What is the content of species plantarum? লিখা আছে চোৱা.
Plants or scientific name কৈছিলে.
Exactly. So that is the thing that you need to remember, right? The scientific names of plants. Species Plantarum কি আছিলে? It consisted the scientific names of plants. And if you remember, living world or পৰা, I think you remember binomial nomenclature. I think you understand what is binomial nomenclature. Scientific name দিব লাগে. It should have two parts, right? That is the genus name or the generic name. That is called as binomial nomenclature. There were certain rules for binomial nomenclature. I think you remember. মনত আছে নে? এটা scientific name দিব লাগিলে কিছুমান rules follow কৰিব লাগিব. Yes? So from those rules, right? Out of all those rules, like it should contain two parts, both should be separately underlined, italics, this, that, etc. One should be capital, one should be small. These were the rules. Amongst them, এটা rule আছিলে, the rule of priority. পাইছা নাই বস্তুটো? Binomial nomenclature, one of the rule was rule of priority. What did this rule tell us? শুনিছা নে rule of priority?
নাই শুনা ma'am.
নাই শুনা? Okay. Living world বাৰু আমি সেইটো details discuss কৰিম. As of now, চোৱা, এইটো sectionত আমি বহুত বিলাক books পঢ়িম, right? We'll talk about the names of many books. And we are supposed to remember the publication date also, but not of all the books. দুখন কিতাপৰ publication date টো জানিবই লাগিব. এখন হ'ল Species Plantarum আৰু এখন হ'ল Systema Naturae. তলৰ পিনে দিয়া আছে চোৱা. Publication date কিমান আছে? 1753 and 1758. Can you see that point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Now listen to it carefully. Species Plantarumot কি আছিলে? Names of or scientific names of plants. Rule of priority tells us that 1753 আগতে যিমানবোৰ নাম দিছিলে of the plants, they are not considered as valid. That is the first point. Is the point understood? Species Plantarumot কি আছিলে? Scientific names of plants. What does the rule of priority say? It tells us that if you have to consider a name for a plant, all the names that was given before 1753 is not considered as a valid name. That's the first point, right? So plants or jiman naam thakok 1753 agate jiman scientist e naam disile, all names are not considered as scientific name. Second point is, after 1753 or on 1753, তাৰ পিছৰ নামস বিলাক কনসিডাৰ কৰিব. For example, if suppose you have a plant, right? আৰু তাত কি কৈছে scientific নাম দিছে. Maybe one was given, a scientist somewhere gave the name of this plant in the year 1746. এজনে দিছে suppose, right? What did I say? এই প্ল্যান্টৰ যোনটো 1753 আগতে নাম দিছে, the name that was given in this year, will it be considered as valid or invalid?
Invalid.
Invalid. So এইটোতো consider নকৰে, correct? Next, what I said, if it is a plant, কি হ'ব লাগিব 1753 পিছত দিয়া নাম বিলাকহে consider কৰিব, right? Now in this example, what we can see is after 1753, one scientist at one place named this plant, another scientist or another worker at some other place also gave a name. Out of these two names, or first question, are these two names valid?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this one is also valid, this one is also valid, but we know each and every organism should have only one name. এটাই scientific name থাকিব লাগিব, দুটা তিনটা scientific name থাকিব নোৱাৰে, right? That should be accepted by everyone. Now the point is, we know after 1753 the names for plants are valid. Two here has been depicted in the example. Out of these two, kuntu naam will be considered as a valid scientific name for the plant?
1780.
দুইটা correct ন, এইটো 1753 পিছত, এইটো 1753 পিছত, right? So, according to this source, this is also correct, this is also correct, but we know one organism should have one scientific name, so which scientific name would be accepted? At this time, you have to know about rule of priority. That is also a rule about binomial nomenclature. কোনটো নাম দিব? Any idea? Valid কোনটো হ'ব?
আগৰটো
Very good. So this one would be considered as valid according to rule of priority. সবতছে 1753 পিছত সবতছে আগতে কোনে নামটো দিছিলে সেই নামটোহে কনসিডাৰ কৰিব, right? Okay. We understood that this is not valid, this is valid. What will happen to this name? এটো কি হ'ব? You cannot say that this name is invalid. The worker has also done a lot of work in giving that name, so you cannot just neglect his work, right? So that type of a name would always be considered as a Let me see the board clearly.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
So দুটা ভ্যালিড আছে, প্ৰায়োৰিটি বেচিছত যোনে আগতে দিছিল সেইটো ভ্যালিড হ'ব, যোনে পিছত নামবিলাক দিছিল সেই নামবিলাকক কি বুলি ক'ম আমি? Synonyms.
Synonym.
Clear? And I think we understand the meaning of synonym. Synonym মানে কি? একেই নাম বা একেই টাইপ বা একেই মিনিং, similar, exactly. So ইয়াৰ পিছত যিমান নাম দিব, all would be considered as synonym, and this is what is rule of priority. Why did I say about rule of priority in this class? Because we have to talk about 1753 and 1758. 1753 for plants and 1758 for animals. কিহৰ কাৰণে? কাৰণ Species Plantodon is a book that deals with the naming of the plants, and Systema Naturae is a book that deals with the naming of the animals. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? So তাতে contents of যিখিনি আছে সেইখিনি আমি পঢ়িম, right? Species Plantodon bracketত কি লিখা আছে চোৱা, propose the scientific names of plants, very important. We have another book about plants that is called as Genera Plantodon, right? চোৱা, Species Plantodon, Genera Plantodon আৰু Systema Naturae, right? Species Plantodon কি আছে? Only names of plants. Genera Plantodon কি আছে? Description about plants. Names belegot, description belegot. Coming to Systema Naturae. Systema Naturae is a book generally or mostly related with কি? Animals. এইখন bookত কি আছে? You have the names of the animals. You also have the description of the animal also. In case of plant, দুখন কিতাপ বেলেগ বেলেগ. In case of animals, it's the same book. Is the point understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Now, as you keep reading about these books, no, এইকেইখন book is very important from question point of view. ঠিক আছে, living world তো ইহঁতৰ mention কৰা আছে, biological classification তো ইহঁত দুটা mention কৰা আছে, so it's very important. One question that has been asked about Systema Naturae. Just go through the PDF and see below Systema Naturae কি লিখা আছে কোৱাচোন? What does it consist of? It contains informations about কি লিখা আছে? Can you see it?
Scientific names of animals,
Names of animals, detailed description of animals,
detailed
আৰু এটা কিবা
description
লিখা
of
আছে?
the animal kingdom,
Animals, আৰু এটা কিবা লিখা
give
আছে?
the outline classification of
Exactly.
the plant kingdom.
Exactly. Now come to this point. What we are saying is, or what we understand about the common thing that we think is, যেতিয়া আমি species plantarum শুনো বা genera plantarum শুনো, we have an idea that these books are related with plants. Systema Naturae কথা শুনিলেই we have an idea that this book is related with animals. But apart from animals, it has talked about plants also. So question ever আহিছিলে, outline classification of the plant kingdom is incorporated in which book? At that time, whenever you see the word plant, it might be like this, that I'm sorry, these two books. Plant কথা লিখা আছিলে. So question to odd point to আহিছে, right? So outline classification of the plant kingdom. No doubt the word plant is there, but the information is always presented. Systema Naturae. So this point is important. Understood?
Classification মানে কি হয়?
Outline classification of the plant kingdom মানে not a very proper classification. ঠিক আছে, ওপৰা ওপৰি broader sense of plant guide কৰি থৈ দিছিলে, একদম exact family, class, order তেনেকে properly ভালকে দিয়া নাই.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, as I said, date of publication important 1753 and 1758. Next, another point about Linnaeus is Linnaeus, the classification system that he gave. He classification disile, two kingdom classification disile, right? So he divided. Linnaeus কি কৰিছিলে, গোটেই organisms বিলাকক কিহত divide কৰিছিলে, either planting or Animalia, right? Again, he has worked on this group. Plantir, গোটেই plants বিলাকক কি কৰিছিলে, 24 groups of divide কৰিছিলে. The information is already there in the PDF. Out of these 24 groups, what he said, 23 of them are flowering and one is non-flowering, right? So এখন হল classification যোনটো নেকি Linnaeus দিছিলে, right? This system of classification is also called as correct? Sexual system of classification কোনে propose কৰিছিলে, Linnaeus. The next point is, question 2 আহিছে, why was Linnaeus classification considered as a sexual system of classification? Sexual system বুলি কিহৰ কাৰণে কৈছিলে? Any idea?
Ma'am, the flowering, non-flowering আসলে কারণে নাকি?
Because he has taken the flower as a point of classification, right? গছডালত ফুল আছে নে নাই, right? He has discussed or he has given this classification only on the basis of the flower, and so it is called as a sexual classification. I think you know, whenever we talk about a plant, adult plant or either vegetative parts থাকিব, or we have certain vegetative parts and certain sexual parts, or certain reproductive parts. Vegetative part বুলি ক'লে, what we understand, the root, stem, leaves, etc. These falls under vegetative part of a plant. if we are using the word the reproductive part of a plant, then kuntu part are we concerned with?
Flower.
Reproductive part, yeah, it's obviously the flower, right? In a flower, what we see 4 holes, that is calyx, corolla, androecium, and gynosium, right? Androecium ki asile, the male reproductive part, gynosium ki asile, the female reproductive part. So what he has done is he has divided plant P under 24 groups, 23 flowering and 1 non-flowering. Or A23 groups of, he has used the terms called as, ki terms use korises person? Monoandria, diandria, triandria, etc. Can you see the words?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Right? Now, what we understand by the word andria, monoandria means what? One kid.
Androecium.
And very good.
Androecium.
One androecium, right? So what he has done, he has classified into plants and animals. Plants, again, he has classified into 24 groups. 24 groups or 23 groups on the basis of the sexual part of the flower, or to be precise, the male reproductive part of the flower, that is androecium. Since his classification is based on this reproductive part, so it is called as sexual system of classification. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this was all about Linnaeus. Next is Bentham and Hooker. George Bentham and Hooker. First question. They are related with which botanical garden? So first line of key as a question. Related to the Dash Botanical Garden, Royal Botanical Garden, right? In that botanical garden, they work as research fellows, and the word that we use is called as a curator. So you have to remember the curator. Botanical garden ekhonot june research kaam kore, tiaok ami ki buli kau? Curator buli kau. So George Bentham and Hooker are aware curators of Royal Botanical Garden. Duita bostur naam rakhibo lagbo. What he has done, he has proposed the biggest and natural classification of spermatozoids. At a word paithu no, that is called as natural classification. In the natural classification, how many types of classification have you heard? Classification kiman types of hai? I'm not talking about classification system. I'm talking about classification. Kenukwa type of classification? How many types?
Natural and artificial.
Natural, artificial.
Phylogenetic.
Very good. So when we talk about classification, we see artificial classification, natural classification, and phylogenetic classification. Right? Now, Bentham and Hooker was related with what? Kon classification logo related? A two question ahead. Bentham and Hooker was related with which classification system? So you have to read the point very clearly, right? So they were related with natural classification. Now, talking about these three, what we understand, kuntu classification of natural boli kom, kunkon classification of artificial kom, or kunkon classification of phylogenetic kom.
Naturally change hoy tate technique naturally classify kore.
Aru okoman precisely kobo laibo. It's very good that you have tried. Aru okoman precise. What about the rest of the students? Difference between artificial, natural, and phylogenetic system.
The
Have you heard?
organisms are
Artificial
organisms for external feature লগে লগে internal যিবিলাক feature আছে সেইবিলাকৰ হিচাপে ভাগৰ natural classification system
Very good. Very good.
আৰু
And
phylogenetic classification system মানে organismsৰ ভিতৰত যিবিলাক evolution relationship আছে সেই হিচাপে ভাগ হয়
অকল evolution নে? only on the basis of evolution নে আৰু কিবা কিবি consider কৰা হয়?
আৰু নাজানো মেম বাকি এইটো
Okay,
জানো
doesn't matter. You know, no, it's very good that you have tried and your concept is clear. It's so nice to know. আৰু এটা কথা, artificial to কি আছিলে?
আৰ্টিফিচিয়েলটো মেম ভালকে নাজানো
Okay, একো জানিব নালাগে. You don't have to be very like confusing your brains. ঠিক আছে, একো জানিব লাগে. একদম simple দুটা word. অকল morphological studies or ওপৰত base কৰা classification খন হ'ল artificial classification. Based only on morphological features. Only that word. এটা organism দেখিছা, organism দেখাত কেনেকুৱা morphological characters চাইছা and you have started classifying. That is called as artificial, right? All morphology. Natural, as he has said, you consider the morphology, you consider the anatomy, you consider the physiology, and you also consider the ecological role of the organism. Eta organism jete classify koriba on the basis of what? On the basis of morphological features, on the basis of anatomical features also. Bhitor pa dekhat kenekwa cells bilak keneke arrange hoy ase. Physiological also. Physiological বুলি কলে what we understand? The functions, the metabolism that is going inside the organism. কেনেকে respiration হৈছে, কেনেকে photosynthesis কৰিছে, etc. কেনেকে protein synthesis কৰিছে, এটাক আমি কি বুলি কওঁ? It will be everything under physiology. So কি consider করে? Morphology. We understand external features. Anatomy, we understand tissue level, cell level, right? Internal structures. Physiology, we understand the metabolism that is going inside the organism. Tar উপরিও ecological role of the organism is considered. Now, what is ecological role? First, ecology কি বস্তু? What is ecology? How will you define ecology? So, scientific definition নকৰিবা. কাৰণ definition তো কেতিয়াও নিটত নাহে ন? Just concept তো জানিলে হ'ল. Ecology বুলি কলে আমি কি বুজো?
পাৰিবেশিক environmental like
Yeah. About what? মানে আছে কি বস্তু? Ecology তো মানে ecological study বুলি কলে কি factor study কৰো আমি?
Biotic, non-biotic.
Very good. Non-biotic নহয়, abiotic. Right? We study the biotic components and we study the abiotic component that is present in an area. That is what is called as ecological study. Eta organism আছে, সেই organism টোক আমি কি বুলি consider কৰিম? Obviously biotic organism, right? Biotic, সেই organism টোৰ লগত in and around environmental factors, soil factors, etc. সেইবিলাকক আমি কি consider কৰিম? Abiotic. Organism together with the environment, যোনটো study কৰিম তাক আমি কি বুলি কম? Ecology. Correct?
yes, ma'am.
Scientific definition nalage. We don't need the scientific definition. Don't have to by heart also. Mukhasta koribo nalage. Right? Next, jikono eta living organism or eta ecological study eta particular role ase. What is the role of an organism? Jikono eta organism. For example, if I say plants or ecological role ki? Mane ecologically tahara function ki?
Primary food producer.
Exactly. They are considered as producers. Because a primary food producer is also correct. State in a very simple way is protective organism or ecological role as either that organism would be a producer or a consumer or a decomposer. Right? So plants or ecological role ki producer. Animals or ki
Consumer.
consumers. And if you're talking about microorganisms, what is the ecological role?
Decomposers.
Decomposers. Correct? Okay. Now I think that is clear. Now coming back to natural system of classification. If you are classifying an organism on the basis of morphology, anatomy, physiology, and ecological role, a harita factor consider korisa, that type of classification would be called as what? Natural classification. Clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Okay. Now tell me one question. Is morphology considered as a factor for natural classification? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Is the one understood? All morphology artificial. In a natural classification of the morphology consider hoy. Clear? Okay.
Yeah.
Coming to this, phylogenetic, as someone has said, no, very good. According to the evolutionary role, duta word, ecological role or evolutionary role. Evolutionary role, you are talking about what? You, your father, your father's father, your father's father, that family tree that we talk about. I mean, Cobra evolved also. Evolution, or that is what is called as phylogenetic. So during or in this classification, কি consider করি? অকল phylogeny consider করি না আৰু কিবা কিবিও consider করি? না directly organism to ধৰি পেলাই তাৰ family tree পঢ়িম আৰু classification কৰিম তেনেকুৱা নেকি? না আৰু কিবা বেলেগ factors তাহাঁতৰ পঢ়িম?
And বেলেগ characters পঢ়িম নেকি?
বেলেগ characters মানে morphology, anatomy, physiology, ecology, and evolution. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Okay. So আমি কি কৈ আছিলো? Okay. So Bentham and Hooker natural classification. এতিয়া if I say okay, Carolus Linnaeus was related with which classification system?
Five kingdom.
Carolus Linnaeus was considered with which classification system out of these three?
Artificial.
Very good. Right? Because artificial kyo, occult morphology চাইছিলে. So what did he see? He has taken the flower to dissect কৰিছে, ambrotium কেইডাল আছিলে, চাইছে আৰু classify কৰিছে. Only morphological feature taking into consideration is called as what? Artificial. So scientists related with artificial, or scientists or workers related with natural, and we'll see certain workers related with phylogenetic also. So what you do is, ঘৰত গৈ পেলাই artificial classification লিখিবা, যিমানবোৰ workers আছে তাৰ against লিখি ল'বা. Natural classification, যিমান workers আছে তাৰ against লিখি ল'বা. It is not like this that there is only one worker with artificial. এতিয়া কি পঢ়িলো? Artificial ৰ লগত related with Linnaeus. If I ask you about Aristotle, কি কোৱা? Aristotle was related with what? Artificial. Right? Artificial, yeah. So, অকল যে এজনেই থাকিব, not necessary. You have many workers with each and every classification system. Clear? Next, Bentham and Hooker, কি কৰি কৈছো আমি? First, you have to remember curator. Next, you have to remember Royal Botanical Garden. Next, you have to remember natural classification. Next, natural classification পিছত তেওঁ কি classify কৰিছিলে? Spermatophytes. What we understand by the word spermatophytes?
Bearing plants.
Seed bearing plants. Right? হেৰিত লিখা আছে ন? PDF খনত দিয়া আছে seed bearing plants বুলি? Now give me some examples of seed bearing plants. Plants বুলি ক'লে, into how many categories are the plants divided into? Plants বিলাকক আমি কিমান categories divide কৰিব পাৰিম? The answer comes from plantae. Sorry, plant kingdom যদি পঢ়িছা, কিমান types of plants পঢ়িছা? Groups মানে? The most primitive plants, the most advanced plants, etc., etc. কিমান groups
Ma'am,
of
algae.
কিমান types of plants? Yeah,
Bryophyte,
exactly.
Pteridophyte,
Hmm.
Gymnosperm, and Angiosperm.
Okay, how many groups? Kimanta hol etia? 5. Right? So whenever you talk about plants, ki thakibo? Algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, and angiosperms. Out of these groups of plants, Bentham and Hooker ki korisile? He has given a classification system for the spermatophytes. Spermatophytes mane ki? Seed-bearing plants. Out of these, which plants are considered as seed-bearing? Seed-bearing plants কোনবিলাক?
Angiosperm.
angiosperms?
And gymnosperms.
Algae? Gymnosperms. What about algae, bryophytes and pteridophytes? Seed আছে নে নাই?
নাই
Clear? So spermatophyte কোনবিলাক? Right? So what he has done is he has classified only the spermatophyte. ইহত দুটাৰে classification দিছিলে. So what was his classification? তেওঁ কেনেকৈ classify কৰিছিলে? কেনেকৈ কৰিছিলে? Yes. So he has classified the spermatophytes into three groups, that is dicots, dicotyledons, gymnosperms, and monocotyledons. Right? From one point of view, this classification is a correct classification because we know spermatophytes বুলি ক'লে ইহত তিনটা গ্ৰুপতে আমি কি পাম? Seeds পাম. So from that point of view, classification is correct. But from one particular point of view, this classification is considered as a wrong placement. Which point of view are we talking about? কোনটো point of view কাৰণে এই classification খন ভুল বুলি কৈছিলে?
চব অৰ্গেনিজমছ মানে সেই কিংডমটোত পৰা নাছিলে সেইকাৰণে এইটো হেৰি নহ'ল
কিহৰ কাৰণে? কোৱাচোন আকৌ এবাৰ কোৱা, মই শুনা নাই।
চব অৰ্গেনিজমছ মানে তাত ফল হোৱা নাছিলে চবকে কভাৰ কৰিব নোৱাৰিলে
Some organisms when কিছুমান organismsক সেইখন classificationৰ ভিতৰত সোমাব নোৱাৰিলে সেইকাৰণে সেইখন classification is wrong. সেইটো ক'ব খুজিছা ন আনসাৰটো? Actually that is not the correct one. Okay, so first to মই কি ক'লো এখন classification এটা point of view পৰা correct. কোনটো point of view? যে if you are talking about spermatophytes, all the three are spermatophytes. The second statement that I said, এটা point of view মতে এই classification খন ভুল, and which point we are talking about is according to evolution of plants, this classification is considered as a wrong classification. বুজি পাইছা? Evolution যদি কওঁ তেতিয়াহ'লে এই classification খন ভুল. Now can you pinpoint the mistake in this classification according to evolution? কি ভুল আছে?
অৰ্ডাৰটো ভুল হৈ আছিলে নেকি?
Exactly. The placement, right? এটা side correct, কিন্তু evolutionary studies মতে এইখন ভুল. What is the mistake?
জিমনোস্পাৰ্ম আগত আহিব, দেন মনোকট, দেন ডাইকট।
কি আহিব? According to you কি কৈছা? প্ৰথমতে জিমনোস্পাৰ্মছ আহিব, তাৰপিছত মনোকট আহিব, তাৰপিছত ডাইকট আহিব. Is this correct? What about the rest of the students?
Yes.
মানে মনোকট আগে তাৰপিছত জিমনোস্পাৰ্ম তাৰপিছত ডাইকট
Okay, please give your options. কি কৈছা? প্ৰথমতে মনোকট, তাৰপিছত জিমনোস্পাৰ্মছ, তাৰপিছত ডাইকট. This is the first answer. This is the second answer. Any more answers? আৰু কোনোবাই কিবা ক'বা নেকি? According to evolution. Please try. At least they have tried, no? So, please interact in the class. ঠিক আছে? It's not necessary that you know each and every answer. ঠিক আছে? As a teacher itself, there are so many questions which I don't know. হ'ব পাৰে ন? তোমালোকেওতো সব জানিবা বুলি কথা নাই. First point. Second point. যদি answerটো কৈ দিয়াৰ পিছত যদি ভুল হয়, কি হ'ব? এটা ডাঙৰ কথা এটা হৈ যাব নেকি? I have said a wrong answer. Is that something to be concerned with? Not at all. At least you have tried. right? So please interact in the class. Class of interact korba. Jikini bhul lagise, jikini doubts. Etia for those students who are not giving the answer. Why are you not giving the answer? Because you don't know the answer or you don't feel like giving the answer? Ne bhabisa je moi kole bhul hobo. Kyo karone answer diya nai koasun? There are so many students in the group. Kyo answer diya nai? Answer to najanu. Am I correct? Najana jodi nothing to worry about. Hal kotha najana. Najanile janiba. If you know everything, there are chances of making mistakes. Besi janile problem ase kintu. Right? Jiman najana, himan you study more. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So please try. Please try. If nothing is not a point of feeling shy. Last pabor eko kotha nai. We are just having an interaction. ঠিক আছে? So তোমার মতে যোনটো answer no হেতু কোৱাচোন so that I can correct it if it is wrong. যদি correct to very good. যদি কিবা এটা ভুল হৈছে, let me tell. I am so thankful to these two students who have at least tried to give the answer. এটো correct নে ভুল মই এতিয়া নাজানো. I'm not talking about it. At least you all have tried and that's very good. Please, students, I'll request you all to interact in the class, okay? Okay. Next comer. Are there options দিবা নেকি?
Ma'am, first day diagram আহিব.
First of all, dicot আহিব. Next.
Monocot,
Next.
gymnosperm.
Gymnosperms. Right? At least 3 of you all have given the answer. Now let's go to the main answer. Okay.
Ma'am.
From evolution. Yes, please say.
Ma'am,
Wow.
first gymnosperm আহিব আৰু second dicot আৰু next monocot. First
প্ৰথমতে gymnosperms আহিব, then dicot,
and
then
monocot.
monocot. Okay. Okay. So nice. So now let's talk about evolution. We are talking about key evolution. Evolution of key plants. Kimanta group of plants আছে? 5টা. So the primitive plants key.
Ma'am, algae.
Algae. Very good. Algae, most primitive. After algae,
Ma'am,
Bryo. Pterido, Gymno, Angio. We know Angio by angiosperms are divided into 2 categories, dicots and monocots. Dicots and monocots so শুনিছো চাগে. Out of these 2 categories, which one is advanced and which one is primitive? Dicots or monocots are advanced school.
Ma'am, dicot.
Dicot.
Ma'am, monocot.
It is a monocot that is considered as most advanced. Because so category to কেনেকে যায়? Most primitive algae, তাৰপিছত bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms. তাৰপিছত কি আহিব লাগিব? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear? Right? So be এই বস্তুটো মনত ৰাখিবা হা gymnosperms ৰ পিছত কি আহিব লাগে highest evolved plants কি হয় angiosperms but angiosperms have 2 categories out of these monocots are supposed to be most advanced right write it down somewhere don't forget so according to this one what is the mistake in this is the placement gymnosperm of evolution কি দেখাইছে according to Bentham and Hooker's classification what they have said is gymnosperms have evolved from dicots, correct? Ne wrong.
Yes, correct, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Gymnosperms are pra dicots hoise, ne dicots are pra gymnosperms hoise.
Gymnosperm.
Gymnosperm পৰা dicot হৈছে.
Sperm to dicot.
Gymnosperms are pra dicots hoise. Yate ki dekhaise? Prothomete je dicots dekhaise, dicots are pra gymnosperm hoa dekhaise ne nai?
Ma'am, দেখাইছে.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? That is the reason why this is wrong. Is the point understood now? Bentham and Hooker যোনখন classification দিছে কাক classify কৰিছে he have classified the spermatophytes. What is included in the spermatophytes? Angiosperms and gymnosperms. From one point of view, his classification is correct, but from evolution point of view, his classification is not considered as a valid classification. What is the reason? Because the placement of gymnosperms is not correct. জিমনোস্পার্ম ফার্স্ট লাগিছে তাৰপিছত ডাইকট তাৰপিছত মনোকট ক্লিয়াৰ নহয় এইখিনিলৈকে now the next point is in spite of the fact that this classification is not a valid classification তথাপিও এই classification খন আজিলৈকে আমি ইউজ কৰো এতিয়া যেতিয়া এখন classification system valid নহয় there is no point of using that classification is the point correct তুমি ভুল বস্তু এটা accept কৰিবা নেকি no one accepts a wrong classification right but the point to be remembered is in spite of this classification is still accepted in what accept কৰে pdf to যদি পঢ়ি তাত লিখা আছে নে কোনো পঢ়াই নাই
phylogenetic classification है कि
নহয় মই কি কৈছো বেন্থাম এণ্ড হুকাৰৰ ক্লাসিফিকেশন খন is not a valid classification correct নহয় ভুল হয় কিন্তু ভুল হোৱাৰ পিছতো আমি কবাত ইউজ কৰো ক'ত ইউজ কৰো এতিয়াও ইউজ কৰি আছো ক'ত ইউজ কৰি আছো আৰু সেইটো পইণ্টৰ পৰা কোৱেশ্চন আহিছে it is still used in go to page number 44 of your pdf and see the last point সবে page number 44 পাইছা
Yes, ma'am. Herbarium use কৰে
herbarium and botanical garden
herbarium and botanical garden that point is very important yes please mark that point is important ঠিক আছে so no doubt Bentham and Hooker's classification is wrong according to evolution but in spite of that this classification is still used while making a herbarium and in the botanical gardens I think you remember what a herbarium is herbarium ki bostu
store the plants
yeah dry preservation right you dry a plant you paste it in a paper in a particular procedure that is what is called as herbarium right so herbarium kenuka asle ekon sheet asile right sheet ot ami ki koro plant dal preserve koro and you have a label this is the information from which lesson living world yes or no
yes ma'am
etu ki boli koy label right ekon whole herbarium sobotse important question ki ahe yar pura the size of the herbarium very important pohiba living world thik ase yare size to ahe next question ahe label is at which corner right hand corner left hand corner etu corner so you have to remember it is in the right hand corner right so side of study about herbarium size and the label next question label or ki information ase even on that point the question is asked label or ki thakibo এই herbarium খনতে এটা label আছে এনেকুৱা এই label খনত কি আছে আমি কিবা কি লিখো ন
Ma'am, botanical name of the plant, local name of the plant,
you have
English name of the
you
plant.
have the name of the collector yes there are so many information the scientific name of the plant the collector's name the place from where you have collected the date on which you have collected etc এইবিলাক information label খনত থাকিব right এতিয়া কথাটো হল আমি herbarium যদি এতিয়াও বনাও herbariumত আমি যেটা information লিখিম will write the classification কোনটো basis of classification system লিখিম Bentham and Hooker যিখন classification দিছে তেনেকেহে আমি right similarly in case of a botanical garden also if you visit a botanical garden গছ বিলাকত চাবাচোন ধুনীয়াকে তাৰ classification system খন লিখা থাকে scientific name লিখা থাকে আৰু classification system খন লিখা থাকে I don't know whether you have visited or not জুৰিয়ে কৈছে তেতিয়াও দেখিবা state জুৰ botanical garden এখন আছে ন তাতে চাবাচোন গছ বিলাকত ধুনীয়াকে নাম বিলাক লিখা আছে নামো লিখা আছে classification system ও লিখা আছে right the question is hey the গছডালৰ classification system টো লিখা আছে according to which system of classification Whittaker's five kingdom লিখি নহয় it is according to Bentham and Hooker
yes ma'am
okay so that point is again important so this was all about Bentham and Hooker next we move to the next worker that is Ainsler right Ainsler he has gave the first phylogenetic classification I have to remember who has given the first phylogenetic classification. Enkler আগতকে যিমানবোৰ scientist কাম কৰিছে গোটেইবিলাকে কি classification system দিছিলে either artificial or natural, not phylogenetic. It was Enkler who has come up with the phylogenetic system of classification, right? What did he do? He has divided the plant kingdom under two categories, cryptogams and phanerogams. Enkler কি কৰিছিলে plants বিলাকক দুভাগত ভাগ কৰিছে Now what we understand by the word cryptogam and phanerogam, cryptogamia or phanerogamia একেটাই বস্তু নাম বিলাক জানিব লাগিব হা cryptogam মানে কি phanerogam মানে কি spermatophyte মানে কি right so cryptogams কি বস্তু
Plant without flowers.
yeah right আর phanerogams কি
Flower like trio or
flowering flowering or having flower like character মই short form ত লিখিছো PDF already লিখা আছে right now out of the 5 plants that you know cryptogams কোনগিটা আৰু phanerogams কোনগিটা algae bryophytes pterophytes gymnosperms and angiosperms out of this without flower car
algae, bryophytes, and
pteridophyte.
clear and flowering or having flower like character flowering বুলি কলে আমাক আমি কার কথা কৈ আছো angiosperms
Sperm.
and if you're talking about having flower like character we are talking about
gymnosperm.
Gymnosperms.
gymnosperms right so what did Engler do he has given a phylogenetic classification right phylogenetic classification plot what did he say he said the plants could be divided into two categories on the basis of flowering or non-flowering and this is the sequence এই মিনিং গিটা জানিবা তাতকে বেছি ইম্পর্টেন্ট একো নহয় ফার্স্ট phylogenetic word to জানিব লাগিব clear next
Yes,
one
ma'am.
Oswald Tippo I think in the video it is marked কি mark করা আছে biggest word to হয় first phylogenetic classification কোনে দিছিলে biggest phylogenetic classification কোনে দিছিলে accordingly you have to know the name clear so what did he do Oswald Tippo কি কৰিছে plants বিলাকক on the basis of কি classify কৰিছিলে যেনেকে Enkler classified the plants on the basis of flowering or non-flowering. Oswald Tippo classified the plants on the basis of dash. What is the dash?
Embryo.
On the basis of presence or absence of embryo. So plants bilakor jar embryo nai aru jar embryo ase. Jar embryo nai tahatok ki koise Thelophytes or Thelophyta, right? আৰু যাৰ embryo আছে তাহাঁতক কি কৰিছে again divided into two on the basis of কি on the basis of vascular bundle present নে vascular bundle absent classification খন বুজি পাইছা নে নাই classified the plants into two categories on the basis of embryo absent or embryo present. Embryo absent, Thelophytes, embryo present, কিমানবোৰ plants আছিলে আকৌ কি কৰিছে on the basis of vascular bundles present or vascular bundles absent. In that case, he has used the term called as atrachite and trachite. হয়নে? Words কেইটা ধৰিব পাৰিছানে?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Now, if you are talking about Thelophytes, out of the 5 groups of plants, Thelophytes kuntu? Algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, angiosperms. Out of these 5, কোনটো ক'ত পৰিব? Helophytes কোনটো?
Bryophytes.
The plants that have thallus-like organization is called as helophytes. Now, what is a thallus? Thallus কি বস্তু? Okay, মোক এটা কথা কোৱাচোন। Bryophytes or plant body to the main plant alone. কি wordৰে আমি কওঁ? The plant body of bryophyte is called as okay, আমি যেতিয়া plant body discuss কৰো, plant body তিনিটা term আছে, তিনিটা type of plant body আছে. We have a word called as thallophyte, a word called as gametophyte, and the other word called as sporophyte. এই তিনিটা types of plants আছে. Out of these 5, এটা হ'ব thallophyte, কোনোবা হ'ব gametophyte, আৰু কোনোবা হ'ব sporophyte. Thallophytes কিয়? কাৰণ thallus-like organization. What is thallus? You cannot see a proper part, no? গোটেইখিনি almost similar, right? এই pizza যেনেকে base থাকে, no? Pizza base. Thallus, right? Gametophyte, sporophyte, haploid plant body and diploid plant body. Plant kingdom আমি details কৰিম. Now coming back to the question.
কি ক'লে?
Thallus to হ'ল যাৰ নেকি it's like গোলকে বস্তু এটা তুমি যেনেকৈ আমি plant এডাল বুলি ক'লে you have a shoot system, you have a root system, no? Protruding part আছে, lot of the part আছে. Thallus বুলি ক'লে almost all the parts are same. তুমি ক'ব নোৱাৰে যে কোনটো, right? যেনেকৈ পিজ্জা আছে ন, পিজ্জাৰ বেছখন গোল হয় ন, ওখ চাপৰ শকত কিবা গম পাও নেকি? একোতো গম নাপাওঁ. It's a round structure. That type is called as thallus. একো proper protruding বা horizontal বা vertical parts নাথাকে, properly distinct নাথাকে, right? Okay, coming to this now, thallophytes মানে কি? The plant that will have thallus-like organization. Out of these plants, thallus
Bryophytes.
thallophytes বুলি ক'লে আগতে okay, very good that you have tried. Thallophytes বুলি ক'লে আগতে শুনিছা নাই thallophytes wordটো? Thallophytes or example what?
Liverworts.
Liverworts is an example of which group of plants?
Ma'am,
Bry-
bryophyte.
Bryophyte. So bryophyte generally আমি plant body to thallus নকওঁ, ঠিক আছে? আমি তাত either gametophyte কম নহলে sporophyte কম, আৰু answerটো যদি মই দিয়ে দিওঁ bryophytes of plant body is a gametophyte, right? So thallus বুলি ক'লে generally algae, fungi এইবিলাক কি হয়? Thallus হয়. So thallophytes বুলি ক'লে ইয়াতে আমাৰ তাত কি পৰিব? Algae. Clear? And we are concerned with this 5. এই গোটেই 5 গ্ৰুপছৰ ভিতৰত embryo কাৰ নাই? Embryoless. বাকি সবৰে কি আছে? Embryo present. So embryo present কাৰ? Bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms. Embryo absent in case of algae. Coming to this part, that is vascular bundle. Out of these groups, vascular bundle কাৰ আছে আৰু কাৰ নাই?
Algae vascular bundle নাই.
Algae টো মই এৰিয়ে দিছো কাৰণ embryo
Bryophytes
absent অতে algae আহিছে। ইয়াতে কাৰ নাথাকিব?
Bryophytes.
Bryophytes, pteridophytes,
আছে ma'am.
gymnosperms,
আছে।
angiosperms, right? So bryophytes absent, right? ইয়াতে কি হ'ব? Pteridophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll be using a word called atrachite আৰু tracheophytes. Tracheophytes বুলি কেতিয়া ক'বা? যেতিয়া vascular bundle present হ'ব. So these plants are called as tracheophyta বা tracheophytes. আৰু atrachite কোনটো? Bryophytes. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Another question about vascular bundle. Well developed vascular bundle গোটেইকেইটা গ্ৰুপত আছে নে নাই? Vascular bundle বুলি ক'লে, which tissues are we concerned with?
Xylem and
Xylem
phloem.
and phloem.
Xylem and phloem. ঠিক আছে? Well defined vascular bundle মানে কি?
The cambium present between
এই গোটেইকেইটা no, not related with cambium. এই গোটেইকেইটা plantৰে vascular bundle same type নে different type? Let's cut it short. We'll talk about it in anatomy. Now, আমি anatomy basic details are করে. Let's move fast. It's just one. Listen to me one thing carefully. If you're talking about vascular bundle, we know we are talking about xylem and phloem. Xylem, is it a single cell or it is made up of many cells? Collection of cells, the single cell. Simple tissue, the complex tissue. Xylem, so tissue, অকমান চোৱা, anatomy, মনত কৰিব লাগিব. Since we are into a crash course, right? We have to be fast, we have to remember everything that we have read. Anatomy পঢ়িছা, anatomy কি পঢ়িছা? Tissues divided into how many types? 2 types, meristematic and permanent.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, meristematic tissues আমি গম পালো. Permanent tissues divided into 2 types. কি আছিলে?
Simple and
পাহৰি
complex.
গলো. Simple and complex. Very good. What is the classification of simple tissues?
Ma'am, অকল এটা cell
Tissues, simple tissues বুলি কম.
parenchyma,
অকল?
made up of one cell.
Yeah. Only parenchyma?
collenchyma, and sclerenchyma.
Very good. It is parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma that are considered as simple tissues. Example of complex tissues.
Xylem and phloem.
Phloem.
Now, very good. Now the point is, why is xylem and phloem considered as a complex tissue? তাহলে simple বুলি কিয় কোৱা নাই? Have you ever wondered? মন গ'ল মই complex কৈ দিম, মন গ'ল মই simple কৈ দিম, তেনেকুৱাটো নহয় ন? There should be certain conditions or criteria. Yes? So, what is the answer? Xylem or phloem or complex tissue? Now listen to me one thing, okay? But it's not questions for you, so তোমালোকক যে questions কৰি আছো. It is not because I want to test whether you know or not. Right? It's not just, oh, student একো answer নাজানে, তাৰমানে he বেয়া student. No, don't have that idea. I am asking you questions so that your concepts get clearer. Is that correct? Question কৰিব লাগে নে নালাগে? নহলে তোমালোকে কবা মেমে দেখোন মেমে বায়োলজিক্যাল ক্লাসিফিকেশন পঢ়াই আছে বই দেখোন হেৰি এনাটমি পালেগৈ হয় নে নহয় মই যোনটো কোৱেশ্চন সুধি আছো এইটো বায়োলজিক্যাল ক্লাসিফিকেশনৰ কোৱেশ্চন নহয় এইটো কিহৰ কোৱেশ্চন এনাটমিৰ কোৱেশ্চন right should I ask questions or I should not ask questions whenever I ask a question you'll get your concepts clear. It might be from whatever lesson. যতে আমি এটা বস্তু পাম সেইটো আমি লিংক কৰি পেলাই গোটেই ইনফৰমেশন খিনি পঢ়িম যেনেকে xylem আৰু phloem ইয়াতে পালো starting from what vascular bundle question to whole xylem complex কিয় বা basic
Because they are
difference between very good because they have
Formed with many cells.
okay what do you understand by many cells please keep on trying
That means xylem formed of 4 elements.
Very good. It is made up of 4 different cells. Made up of many cells is not a correct one. Made up of many cells বুলি ক'লে কেনেকুৱা এটা condition হ'ব এটা cell আছিলে তাৰ লগতে আৰু বহুতটা cell আছে this is also made up of many cells হয়নে so xylem and phloem are considered as complex tissues because they have or each tissue is made up of 4 different elements. Xylem is made up of 4 elements, phloem is made up of 4 elements. Elements বুলি ক'লে কি mean কৰিছো 4 different types of cells make up xylem, 4 different types of cells make up phloem. But if you are talking about simple tissues like parenchyma or parenchyma or sclerenchyma tahator if you are talking about parenchyma gutei bilak cells eketai hobo sclerenchyma buli kole he group to gutei bilak cells eketai hobo kintu xylem buli kole gutei sarita cell beleg function o beleg structure o beleg clear
Yes, ma'am.
okay now the next question well defined vascular bundle buli kole that statement what is the meaning ba এই তিনটা প্ল্যান গ্রুপৰ ভিতৰত well defined vascular bundle কাৰ আছে প্ৰথমতে তো মিনিং তো জানিব লাগিব well defined মানে কি well defined is a term we use when all the four cells of xylem and all the four cells of phloem are present right Pteridophytes of xylem আছে gymnosperms of xylem আছে phloem আছে angiosperms of xylem phloem আছে কিন্তু four cells of xylem Pteridophytes are present and absent gymnosperms are the four cells of xylem and four cells of phloem present no it is only in angiosperms where you see all the four cells of xylem and all the four cells of phloem is that correct understood na Hekarne, well-defined vascular bundle is present only in the most advanced group of plants, that is angiosperms. Clear? Saita cell ভিতৰত তিনটা যদি present হয়, এটা যদি absent হয়, we do not use the word well-defined. Fully developed vascular bundle ক'ত থাকিব অকল angiosperms. Let's not talk about anatomy. আৰু anatomy কৈ থাকিলে biological classification complete নহব. Okay. Next, Carl Menz. Carl Menz talked about K. So question ahe serological study kune korisile serological study Carl Menz e korisile what is serology
Your protein structure.
yeah study of protein structure means what suppose duta organism ase A and B right in this organism also proteins would be present in this organism also proteins would be present now what is the structure of this protein and what is the structure of this protein today this structure and this structure looks similar we can say that they have a relation maybe one has evolved from the other so a study too that is based on protein structure is called as serology and who is the one that has worked on serology is Carl Menz. There's a point here. Himan similar characteristics থাকিব হিমানে আমি কি কম যে এটা organism কিটো organismৰ পৰা evolve হৈছে we have given an example of man and chimpanzee relation our mic to এখন problem কৰি আছে please mute it down excuse me কাৰ মাইকৰ আৱাজ আহি আছে নো
Atif Khan, ma'am.
Arif Khan.
Arif Khan
Atif.
Arif are you huh is it Arif
Yes, ma'am.
Atif.
Yes, ma'am, Arif.
okay Arif are you there in the class excuse me Arif are you present in the class log in কৰি পেলাই গুছি গল নেকি Arif are you there in the class okay anyway যদি আছা please mute কৰি লোৱা হা অকমান disturb হৈ আছে anyway
I'm Corey.
okay we were talking কৰিলে no okay we are talking about this right so what it can be concluded যে যদি দুটা organismৰ protein structure similarity থাকে যিমানে similar হয় তাহাতে সিমানে evolutionary closer হয় so we often say man has evolved from chimpanzee এই study to on the basis of serology কৰিছে chimpanzee cell eta structure protein structure কৰিছে human beings or cell or protein structure কৰিছে দুইটা protein structure বহুত similarities আছে depending on what is the number of similarities they share, we can trace down the evolutionary path. Is that clear? Basic
Yes,
details. Okay. Next, we have the next scientist, that is Carl Woese. Carl Woeser কেইটামান point বহুত important. First, কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ classification system দিছিলে?
6 kingdom classification.
Genus, ribosome.
Very good. So, আমি কি কৈছিলো? No doubt we follow Whitaker's 5 kingdom classification system, but in spite of that, we have another one that is called the 6 kingdom. 6 kingdom classification কোনে propose কৰিছিলে? Carl Woese. Very important. Right? Next, this classification system was based on কিহৰ ওপৰত study কৰিছিলে?
Ribosome.
Right? So ribosomal study report কৰি পেলাই, he has given the 6 kingdom classification. To be precise, a number to জানিব লাগিব. 16S ribosome. As far as S is concerned, জানোনে S কি? Okay, come to one point. Ribosomes বুলি ক'লে, ribosomes কিমান type জানা? First, what is the ribosome? Ribosome কি হয়?
And protein synthesis কৰে.
হয় কি? Protein synthesis কৰে, very good. এইটা সবচে important point. কিন্তু কি হয়? Algae হয় নেকি? Bacteria হয় নেকি? Fungi হয় নেকি? কি হয়?
নহয় মেম চেলৰ এটা পাৰ্ট হয়। চেল
Very good. Cell part of কি বুলি কওঁ আমি?
চেল অৰ্গেনেলি।
Organelle এটা হয়. Very good. Very good. So ribosome কি হয়? এটা cell organelle হয়. Right? Ribosome কি question আহে? Membrane আছে নে নাই? Cell পঢ়িছা ন? Okay, এতিয়া আমাৰ ক্লাছত কি হৈছে না? মোৰ ক্লাছত কি হৈছে? As if a revision class. হয়নে? এনেকুৱা হৈছে যেন গোটেইকেইটা টপিক আমি ৰিভাইজ কৰি আছো. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we'll go to cell. অলপ আগতে ক'ত গৈছিলো? We went to anatomy. Now we'll go to plant kingdom. After that we'll go to cell. এইটো lesson কেতিয়া complete কৰিম? কিন্তু in spite of that, we need to talk about it. Ribosome is a cell organelle. Ribosome function কি? Protein synthesis. Membrane আছে নে নাই? Membrane নাই. It is a membrane-less cell organelle. How many types of ribosomes are present? সেইটো বাৰু বেলেগ কথা. Next question is, ribosomes are present in eukaryotes, only prokaryotes, both eukaryote and a prokaryote.
Ma'am, both.
Both eukaryotes and prokaryotes. Can protein synthesis ক'ত হয়? Prokaryotes eukaryotes হয়. Next question. What is the type of ribosome found in eukaryote? What is the type of ribosome found in prokaryote? একে ribosome পাই জানো? একে structure? নাপায়. কোনোবাই অকমান ট্ৰাই কৰাচোন আনসাৰটো দিবলে। এটা কাম কৰো নেকি? I don't give the answer. What will happen then? Then you will study that lesson and then you find out the answer. কোনটো হ'ব? তোমালোকে নিজে বিচাৰি ল'বা নে মই কৈ দিম? NCERT book বিলাকত you have a question, no? প্ৰত্যেকটো লেসনৰ কিছুমান questions আছে তাৰ answer নাথাকে কিন্তু। থাকে জানো?
নাথাকে মেম।
নাথাকে ন? তোমালোকে নিজে নিজে বিচাৰিব লাগে। ঠিক তেনেকে ক্লাছতো এটা কাম কৰো মই। কুৱেশ্যনবোৰ সুধি যাওঁ, আনসাৰবোৰ নকওঁ। কুৱেশ্যন বিলাক লিখি ল'বা, আনসাৰবোৰ নিজে হোমৱৰ্ক কৰি পেলাই কৰিবা। Will that be okay? তেনেকে কিন্তু এটা লাভ কি হ'ব কোৱা? You will study that lesson also. Nay, you want me to say the answer directly?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
কি কৰিম? তোমালোকে পঢ়িবা, মই কৈ দিম আনসাৰটো। দুটা লাভ, দুইটাৰে চোৱা, both the things have positive or negative. First, if I don't give you the answer, you will go, you will study the lesson, you will find out the answer. Second is, if I give you the answer in the class, you can just take a page, write it down and store it for a collection. হয়নে নিজে নিবিচাৰা মই কৈ দিম কিন্তু তথাপি ক'ব লিখি থব লাগিব কিন্তু আকৌ পাহৰি যাবা নহলে okay so you want me to give the answer or not say about ribosomes fast class কে হ'ব হৈছে
Ma'am, কৈ দিয়ক আপুনি।
কৈ দিও ন okay easy answer লাগে okay so ribosomes prokaryotes আছে eukaryotes আছে we have two types of we talk about two types of ribosomes that is 70s and 80s what is s s is the Sedberg's constant ribosome যদি সেলৰ পৰা উলাই পেলাই আমি ribosome টো study কৰিম এটা সেল আছে সেলৰ ভিতৰত ribosome আছে ribosome টো study কৰিবলে ribosome টো উলাই আনিব লাগিব না লাগে সেলটোৰ পৰা So when you go for that ribosome, you have to isolate that ribosome. You go for a process, right? Eta machine ase, hey machine to hey cellular contents ki bhi video. Tat ki hoy ribosome to sedimentary process or right? Heblak ami isolate koro. S is the sedimentary quotient or Sedberg's coefficient, right? So S ki bostu sedimentary quotient. Ribosome study korote ami ribosome keneke affect korilu. Hey process to related it with that ঠিক আছে so ribosome খিনি তলত sedimented হৈ যাব sedimented বুজি পাও ন it sinks or it sticks to the bottom of the I mean tissue S is the Sedberg's constant or sedimentation coefficient এবং পিছত পঢ়িম two types of ribosomes 70s and 80s prokaryotes সদায় 70s ribosomes থাকে কিন্তু eukaryotes both 70s আৰু 80s থাকে normally eukaryotes ribosomes কিমান থাকে 80s type Kintu, duta cell organelle ase. One is chloroplast, the other is mitochondria. Where 70s ribosome is also seen. Did you get the answer now? Okay, there was a part of the cell. Coming to this part, Carlos sixth kingdom this is study ki koise 60s ribosome. 60s ribosome mane the type of the ribosome, the weight of the ribosome, etc. Okay. So question ahead. Sixth kingdom classification is based on 16s ribosome, very important. Next is, what is the sixth kingdom? I mean, already, Whitaker's five kingdoms, pasta kingdom ki asile? Monera, Protista, fungi, plantae, animalia. Ekita hol pasta. Carl Whitaker ki lisile? Six. What is the sixth kingdom?
Archaebacteria.
Archaebacteria. Yeah, before Carl who's Archaebacteria kot asile? According to Whitaker?
Monera.
According to Whitaker, Archaebacteria was included in this Monera, but he said, or what he has done is he has divided totally the group separately. আমি জানো bacteria আৰু Archaebacteria বহুত difference আছে. Special difference lies on the cell wall structure. Right? Bacteria cell wall আৰু Archaebacteria cell wall totally different. মানে কি বহুত points of difference আছে. আৰু সেই কাৰণে Archaebacteria বিলাক they can survive in extreme environmental conditions. Clear? Okay. Next is আৰু এটা point জানিব লাগিব. He has given the concept of কি domain. A domain দিছিল বা concept of domain কি দিছিলে? Carluze. Domain মানে কি? Simple language we can consider domain as super kingdom, right? এতিয়া চোৱা taxonomic hierarchy word to শুনিছা নে নাই?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, what about the rest of the students? You all slept or what?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, taxonomical hierarchy মানে কি? এইটো জানো?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. Eto ki boli koy? Taxonomic hierarchy. Classification of eta organism to classify koribo lage. You have to classify according to this. Etialoke, we are talking about Whitaker's kingdom of classification or so what's the highest taxonomic category ki asile? Kingdom. Right? Kintu, Carluze ki koise kingdom or uporto aru kiba eta ase what is called as domain. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Keita domain ase?
Three
How many
domain.
domains? According to whose? Three domains. And what are the three domains? I think it's written in the PDF. Kiki, Archaea, bacteria, hello? Eukarya. Eukarya includes all the eukaryotes, no? Archaea, bacteria, and eukarya. Bacteria ki hai Monera group to. Archaea bacteria yaar. Eukarya ki hai কি থাকিব?
Protista, fungi, plantae, and
Yeah, ultimately we have 5 kingdoms of cells, right? So কি থাকিব? Protista, fungi, plantae, animalia. Clear?
yes, ma'am.
Right? খালি কার্লোজে কি করেছিলেন? যোনটো Whittaker Monera আছিলে, the Monera was split into two. One was, bacteria, the kingdom of bacteria, and the other was the kingdom of Archaebacteria. So this is all about Carl Lewis. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today in the class we have talked about the different types of, the different workers, the scientists, right, and their contributions, the books they have written, etc., etc. Right? When we are talking about these scientists, we have to talk about Whittaker also. Whittaker পাহৰি গলে to নহব ন, obviously মনত ৰাখিবই লাগিব। কিন্তু Whittaker part is something that we did not do it today. We'll do it in the next class when we'll be discussing about kingdom system বা classification system. Right? আজিতো আমি বেলেগ বেলেগ words বিলাক বা contribution বোৰ পঢ়িলো। Next classত আমি কি পঢ়িম? Classification system পঢ়িম। Classification system যেতিয়া কৰিম, তেতিয়া আমি Whittaker's contribution টো পঢ়িম। Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay, I think that's all for today. So in the next class, what we'll do is we'll discuss about the classification system and we'll start with Monera. Clear? Again, as I said, please read and then come. Either you take out the, print out or start writing. Any questions from your side?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No questions? Clear? Everything clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. Extra questions that I have asked, please put into a habit of writing it in a separate copy. ঠিক আছে? যোনবিলাক আমি ক্লাছ ফ্ৰম ন, কেতিয়াবা কেতিয়াবাতো হ'ব পাৰে ন যে বেলেগ এটা চেপ্টাৰৰ questions সুধিছে, যেনেকে আজি হৈছে, right? Because we have to talk about related terms, right? So please develop a habit of writing those questions and the answer directly or immediately in the class session. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay then. Thank you. We'll meet on the next class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Good night.